Finally remembered to bring my camera with me today. Got 3 Oreo skulls and jackets already, only one with lowers. Just came across this one here. This one's not in the best shape though. Bunch of teeth are dinged up here. Here's the back of the skull there, but I bet you the teeth on the other side of the skull is going to be really nice. And so we'll get this puppy dug out and jacketed. Got another one sitting over up by that butte up in there. But it's too wet to dig on right now. This one's in a lot harder stuff, so I'll be able to seal it up and get it dug out. I may actually not even need to seal it. It's in some pretty solid stuff, which is good. Ooh, toasty when that sun comes out. Yikes. Definitely don't like that. Alright, I'm going to cut because it's hard to dig properly. Well, here's that skull flipped out. It was actually a horse. Shame it's so mangled. Like, all the teeth on the other side are destroyed. You can see most of the snout here just wasn't even preserved. It's almost like something grabbed and ate it. On the other side, all the bone all up in here is missing as well. What can you do? Let's get her jacketed up.